Hello dear friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So in this session, we are doing Geogebra, which is a very important tool for teaching mathematics. So today we'll share about how to draw circumcircle of a triangle, incircle of a triangle, and of course we will learn how to take a picture and upload in GeoGebra and how to use it. So let's begin. So you must be familiar with the screen now or this app. Here this is graphical. So I don't need graphics tool today. So I'll go to click on this triangle. There when I'll click on this grid, I'll find different views. I'll take the plain one and of course I'll click on this axis also. So there will be a plain page for me. So today we'll draw a triangle and use the perpendicular bisector to draw a circumcircle, because we know circumcircle is the intersection point of all the perpendicular bisector of sides of a triangle. So I am taking a triangle. Here triangle, for triangle construction you can take 3 points. You can join them. Point 1 A, point B, point C. I'll take the line segment. I'll join A, B, B, C. Once I'm working with this, you will see that it is highlighted. So I am in that tool only. So selecting again and again. So here names of the line segments are given. Name is given A, B, C is the triangle. Or I can take this polygon tool. I can draw a triangle here. E, E, F. Now I'll draw perpendicular bisector. So I'll go to perpendicular bisector of this one. See, when I'll go with the perpendicular line, parallel line, perpendicular bisector, angle bisector, I am going to perpendicular bisector of the line. I'll click on this. Then if I want to bisect BC or draw the perpendicular bisector of BC, then once I'll click on B, once I'll click on C. Again I'll click on B and click on A. So this will be another bisector or perpendicular bisector of AB. Next is C and A. So these are the line, not line segment. So you can find the point of intersection. To ensure that it is a point of intersection, I'll go for the intersect two lines so that it will show me exactly the point. This is G. This point I'm marking as red point because this is your point which is called circumcenter. And what is circumcircle? Circumcircle is the circle which goes through all the vertices of A, B, C, and its center is calculated in this form. We found this way, that is, it is the intersection point of all the perpendicular bisector. Now, what is it significant? Significance is this point is equidistant from A, B, C. We can also verify this. I am joining this B and G. Line I am making in a different color. I am taking red. Similarly, I'll go for G, C. I'll take G, A. Let me verify whether they are equal or not. So you will go this algebraic part. See, L is the line segment which is your BC, BG, BG. See, this is your 3 unit, M is GC, this is all 3 units. So once you look this algebraic portion, you will find 3, and N is also GA, that is 3. If you want to show it, you can, on the figure, you can go to settings. So it will give you the value, show label name, it is showing, I'll take the value. So immediately it is showing 3. Similarly, this line, similarly next line, when I'll click your L, I'll click on this value, it will show 3, and N, it will show, it will also give you the value 3. I'll go to, either I'll go there, I'll go to setting. So next is, which one is left? That is GC. GC is 3 centimeters. So I'll click on this, and I'll click here on the right side, it is value. So it will be 3 cm. That means it is equidistant from this all vertices. That means I can draw a triangle, a circle with the radius either GA or GB or GC. So I'll take a circle, center is G, and the C, I'm taking GA, B, C. So this is circumcircle of triangle ABC. So this is one part of the circle. So I did it. You can move it, you can show this. Next part is, we'll go for Incircle. So I am going for a new one. It is asking whether you want to save. You can save the file. GGB is the extension file if you want to save, or you can discard too. If it is a rough one, you can go for a new one. So for new one, again I am going for this screen. I will go to setting. This is your, what will draw angle bisector, because in so again I have taken a new file, or I'll draw now Incircle of a triangle. For that, so I'm writing the text once. What is to draw Incircle of a triangle. Here I want to again emphasize that you can also copy text from other file to here. You can copy and paste here. It will work. It's not that always you will go on typing in front of the children. Now to draw Incircle of a circle, it should be one word. So I am going to a triangle. I have taken a bigger triangle, point A, point B, point C. Next, I'll draw angle bisector, because incenter is the intersection point of all the angle bisectors of triangle, and the incircle is the circle which touches all the sides of a triangle. So I am going for angle bisector. Where is angle bisector? It's not there. Angle bisector is here. See, angle bisector. To draw angle bisector, I will click the angle C, A, B, and A. This is the angle bisector of this line. Now, I will upload a protractor here to see whether it divides exactly or not. I will verify. For that, what I will do, I will go for image tool. Here I will go for image tool. Now, when I click on this image, it is asking whether you will upload or you will draw from camera. upload means you can go through some website, but here I'll go for browse because I have already a protractor in my computer in picture. And when you will take the protractor, this protractor you can also download from the Google image. It should be a transparent one. It should be transparent, then only you can measure or it will be visible. So open. See, this picture is now here. These are the 2 points which will have control over this picture. One is D, one is E. So I am putting here and I am just coinciding one move so that it will be clear. See, you can see these 2 angles are, one is your 30 degree and second one is 30 degree. That means it equally bisects the angles. So for the timing, I am taking the protractor out the figure. I am making a very small one. According to my requirement, I'll make it big or small. But I have kept there. You can move also this. You can measure, you can rotate this. You can measure this angle also. Or when we learned how to draw angles and how to measure angles, you can also show children use of protractor. Also how we can make from, if it is the angle is on right side, where you will go, if it is left side, which reading you should go. So that is very important. So first I did this one angle bisector. Next another angle bisector I'll go. So B, C, A. And is B. That means once I am clicking on B, next A, next C. Then it will be all the 3 angle bisectors are intersecting at a point. If they don't seem to be point, or to verify, I can take the intersection point of these 2. So this is F is the point. I am making it red. This is, you can make it bigger one. So this is the point of intersection which we call in center. Next is, from in center, the perpendicular distance to all the sides are equal. So I am drawing one perpendicular on one side. Next, I am hiding all these perpendicular angle bisectors. One is F, this angle bisector CBA, hide. Then C, it's not that, G angle bisector BCA, and other one is your angle bisector BAC. Now I will drop a perpendicular from F on the sides, and we know that this all perpendicular distance from F in center to all the sides are equal, and the radius of that incircle is same as that perpendicular line. So I will go for the perpendicular tool. I'll take this perpendicular line. I'll click on the point and click on the line BC. So this is perpendicular F on BC. So let me get this point so that I can find the perpendicular distance from F on the line BC. So I am taking the intersection point of line BC and this perpendicular. So this is G. So FG is the radius of incircle. So I am joining FG. G. Without joining also I can draw, that is blue color, and this one. Now I'll hide this perpendicular. So this is the, for hide I'll uncheck here. Then I'll take the compass. Take the circle with G. Center. Now you move the circle, move the point, you will see that how the circumcircle is changing. Sorry, in circle is changing. This one, this one, this one, so on. In the same way, we can also move the circumcircle to show the children that how the position of the circumcircle is changing, how the position of the circle is changing when we change triangle. So next I am coming to more interesting tool, that is use of function for drawing in circle. Here, for here I cannot see this input box, so I'll go to see this input box. I'll go to view. Here you see this algebra 3D graphics and see this input bar. So I'll click on input bar. Immediately you see below there it is written input. That means you can write anything or you can draw, instruct something, you can give function something so that it can draw itself, it can calculate itself. So this is the input bar. So for the time being I am hiding this circle, that with a function I'll draw the circle. I am hiding it. Now I am writing Incircle. This is the command for drawing Incircle. Incircle, here you will see that this is your, I was writing zooming in so that it will be clear to you. This is your Incircle. Circle, if you click on this, it will show the command. You can go here also to find more commands. You see the Incircle, point A, comma, point B, comma, point C, if the triangle is ABC. So I'll type here one common bracket, A, vertex is capital letter, comma, C, and bracket closed, and come to the end of the bracket, then enter. Using it so that you can see it has drawn itself. So this is the use of function in drawing or giving command. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing my channel. We will learn day by day. It's not that I have learned all the things. If you sit with the GeoGebra app, you will learn more and more day by day. Thank you for subscribing.